We have here, we're going to look at baking soda. So this is an experiment where we're going to take baking soda and react it with vinegar. This is our vinegar. And then this is our indicator. We're going to use BTB, bromothymol blue. So let's start off by putting the BTB in this large cup. Okay. And then we're going to take this thing here and clamp it to the inside of this, like this, so we can generate our CO2. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Okay, there we go. So we have our cup clamped in the inside here with baking soda. And our objective is to produce some carbon dioxide so they can bubble over. The carbon dioxide gas can come and go into the BTB. We're gonna monitor that over time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pipetting. This is vinegar, it's about 50 milliliters. I'm gonna start doing that over time. I'm gonna go ahead and start the stopwatch. There we go. You see the CO2 going in, it's about 30 seconds, making my gas. I start seeing a color change happening already. Okay. About 2 minutes. Okay, so that's everything. Quite a bit of difference in color change, even after a couple minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit overnight and see what happens if we let this sit overnight. What will happen to the color? Next morning, let's take a look and see what happened to our BTB. And look at that. It is turned back to blue. Not quite as dark as the original stuff, but definitely blue. So what happened there? Why did that do that?